Back with Bobby and JJ Radio, your consumer advocates here in San Antonio. We have Melinda Hipp with VanDyk Mortgage in the studio today. How you doing, Melinda?
I'm doing great, thank you.
I want you to talk to us real estate agents because we don't know about this. Actually, no one does. What is a reverse purchase loan?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Well, we've had a reverse mortgage in Texas since 2001, and that's typically a refinance, taking the equity out of a senior person, 62 or over, taking it out of their home and utilizing it for any resource.
Right.
The rest of the country has had a reverse for purchase for the last 5 years. Texas, being its own country, just decided to vote it in November into our Constitution, and we put it into effect March of 2014.
Wow.
So a lot of agents don't know about the product yet, and
Sure.
actually more clients know about it than the real estate agents
Right,
do.
because of Google, you can find it.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. So you're the only licensed reverse mortgage specialist I know in the area, at least.
I'm the only certified with a certification for reverse mortgage.
Wow. Is it the state of Texas?
In the state of Texas, right.
So to give us real estate agents, to put it in layman's terms for us, so you're saying if we have a client that's 62 or over, they're going to purchase a home, probably their last home, usually, right?
Oh, most likely.
They're going to have a big chunk of money. And sometimes they want to use it all and pay it cash, but this is another option for them.
Definitely is another option. So a typical scenario would be someone downsizing from that 2-story, 3,000 square foot home with a huge yard.
Right.
The kids don't come home anymore.
Sure.
They live far away. And it's just not really helpful for them to have to clean, fix the yard. So they want to downsize to a 1-story, small yard or no yard. They're selling that house. They're netting a nice profit from them.
Right.
But they may not want to use all of that and pay cash for a house.
Right.
So they're downsizing, but they may actually be able to buy a higher priced home, taking the reverse mortgage into account. They're going to put a large down payment, usually between 40 to 50% down.
Sure.
Is going to be an average. And then the rest they can finance on a reverse mortgage with no monthly mortgage payment. They
Wow.
just continue to pay their taxes and insurance. And then they can keep some of that equity
For
that
just in
they
case
netted. Yeah, for other reasons, pay their taxes and insurance, travel, help the grandkids out, you know,
Sure.
just enjoy life a little bit better.
And is the criteria the same as other mortgages?
The criteria is going to be slightly different.
Okay.
As far we don't worry about their credit.
Okay, so that's a big thing.
That's a big help in a lot of people's case that are on a fixed income.
Right.
So we do a minor underwriting. We want to make sure people will be able to
Sure.
continue to pay their taxes and insurance and other debts that they have.
But it's not this strenuous thing that they have
It's
to go
not
through
as
on a regular
strenuous
purchase.
as a regular mortgage. That's correct.
Great.
Are you getting a lot of other lenders referring you reverse mortgages because they don't do them?
Definitely so, and especially if they have a client that doesn't
Mm-hmm.
qualify. So that's definitely a big help to them. And also to the senior communities, the 55 and over communities that have this exact demographic coming in.
Sure. So, I know as a real estate agent, we didn't even know about it until we met you. And so I wanted to get the word out there here on Bobby JJ Radio because it's our job as consumer advocates to get all the information out there. And you're the only one in Texas that is definitely certified, so you must know the most. You know,
Well, I just really want real estate agents to know about the product
Sure.
and to understand it.
Great. And if they needed some more information about it, they can go to texasreverse.net, which is your reverse mortgage website, or
That's
they can
correct.
contact you at 210-493-7332. Again, that's 210-493-7332.
Definitely. Give me a call if you want to get trained in it. That's perfect.
Awesome. Thanks, Melinda. I appreciate you coming by.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you very soon. This is Bobby and JJ Radio.